Hey guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started. We are going to continue with our homework review. And um, let's see, we are now on page 46 of our workbook, page 46 of our workbook. And on page 46, you see right here, it says study the chart on page 129. And I just kind of want us to take a look at this just for a minute because we're talking about do you have. We're talking about using do and have. Okay? So when we go through our do and have, we can have a yes answer, or of course, we can have a no answer. And so let's go through. This is what is on the chart on page 129. So we're asking the question, do I have? And the answer is either yes or no. Yes, you do. No, you don't. So repeat after me. Do I have? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Do you have? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he have? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Does she have? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do we have? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do they have? Yes, they do. No, they don't. And of course, in the negative, don't is short for do not, and doesn't is short for does not. So let's look at exercise 1 on page 46 in our workbook. And exercise 1, circle the correct answers. Circle the correct answers. So number 1, the question is, what's wrong? And you could pick from either A or B. A says, my daughter has a fever. B says, my daughter have a fever. Well, the correct answer is A, my daughter has a fever. And what you would do is you would take the subject right here, my daughter, and you would replace it with a subject pronoun. And our subject pronoun that we would replace daughter with, since daughter is a girl, we would replace daughter with she. Okay, she. So really the question was, does she have? Or, well, the question was, what's wrong? And you're answering, my daughter has, right? My daughter has a fever. Number 2, does she have a backache? Does she have a backache? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. She has a fever. Okay. Does she have an earache? Number 3. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't explain this part. Does she have a backache? And the 2 choices are no, she doesn't, or no, she don't. And of course, the correct answer is A, no, she doesn't. Okay. Number 3, does she have an earache? And it's either yes, she do, or yes, she does. Which is the correct one? B, yes, she does. Number 4, Does she have a sore throat? Does she have a sore throat? No, she don't, or no, she doesn't. The correct answer is no, she doesn't. Number 5, do you have a stomach ache? Do you have a stomach ache? No, I don't. No, I do. Well, no, I don't. No, I do not. No, I don't. A is the correct answer. Number 6, do you have a headache? Do you have a headache? Yes, I does, or yes, I do. The correct answer is B, yes, I do. Okay, let's move on to exercise 2. Complete the conversation. Complete the conversation. Kenji is sick. Does he have the flu? Yes, he does. Does he have a sore throat? Yes, he does. Does he have a cough? No, he doesn't. Does he have a fever? No, he doesn't. Do you have aspirin? Yes, I do. How about you? Do you have the flu too? No, I don't. Good. Well, I hope Kenji feels better soon. Okay. So here's the mommy, and here's her son, Kenji. And we want to know if Kenji, what's wrong with Kenji? And so that's what this conversation is about. What's wrong with Kenji? Those are your answers. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Yes, I do. And no, I don't. All right, let's look at the next exercise, exercise 3. And this exercise wants us to write questions. So if we look at number 1 is about a stomach ache. They want you to write a question about a stomach ache. And what they do is they give you the answers right here, so you know what the subject is based on the answers. So the answer is no, she doesn't. So that means the subject is she. And when you're going to write your question about a stomach ache, you're going to say, does she have a stomach ache? Okay? Does she have a stomach ache? And the answer is no, she doesn't. She has a headache. So we're going to go through these next 9 questions. And I actually have them written down, but I want to kind of go through them first. We see here a sore throat, and the answer is yes, he does. Number 3, a broken leg, and the answer is no, he doesn't. Let's come back to number 2, a sore throat, yes, he does. So we know our subject is he. A broken leg, no, he doesn't. So we know our subject is he. Cold, no, she doesn't. We know our subject is she. A cough, no, I don't. So since the answer is I don't, in our question, the subject is you. Okay, when you're answering I, that means someone asked you a question. Same thing with number 5, a fever. The subject is I in the answer, so the subject is going to be you in the question. Number 7, an earache. She is our subject. Number 8, a cut. You is our subject in the question, since I is our subject in the answer. Number 9, She is our subject. And number 10, again, you is our subject since I is the answer. So let me come to the page where I actually have the answers written down, and we will go through each one. Does he have a sore throat? And our answer is yes, he does. Okay, so that's the question. We were to write the questions. Does he have a sore throat? Yes, he does. Number 3, does he have a broken leg? No, he doesn't. He has a sprained ankle. Number 4, does she have a cold? No, she doesn't. She has a sore throat. So in our answer, our subject is she. So in our question, our subject will be she. Now this one I want to talk about a little bit because the answer that you're given for number 5 is no, I don't. No, I don't. So if I say to you, Margaret, do you have a cough? Then you would answer, no, I don't. Okay, so I want you to understand when you see an answer where the answer is about the first person, I don't, no, I don't, then the question is asked in the second person, do you? Do you have a cough? Do you have a cough? No, I don't. Okay. Number 6, do you have a fever? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. I know that in these other answers, the subject is the same, she and she, he and he. The only time there's a difference is between first person and second person. Between first person and second person. So first person is I, second person is you. Do you have a cough? Then the answer is no, I don't. But if I said, do I have a cough? Then the person answering me would say, yes, you do. Do I have a cough? Yes, you do. Do you have a cough? No, I don't. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, so let's go back to number 7. We're on number 7 now. Does she have an earache? Yes, she does. So the same thing, third person, she and she. Okay. Number 8, do you do you have a cut? No, I don't. Do you have a cut? No, I don't. Okay. Number 9, does she have a sprained ankle? So again, we're third person. Does she have a sprained ankle? No. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. Number 9. I might have written that one down wrong. It is she. Okay, does she have a sprained ankle? And the answer should be no, she doesn't. She has a broken leg. Okay, no, she doesn't. Does she have a sprained ankle? No, she doesn't. She has a broken leg. Number 10, do you have a headache? Yes, I do. Do you have a headache? Yes, I do. Excuse me. So those are the answers to exercise 3 on page 46. Again, if we go back to our chart on page 129, do I have, do you have, does he have, does she have, do we have, do they have? And we can answer yes, you do, yes, I do, yes, he does, yes, she does, yes, we do, yes, they do, or no, you don't, no, I don't, no, he doesn't, no, she doesn't, and no, we don't, no, they don't. Remember, don't is short for do not, and doesn't is short for does not. Okay, so that's it for the homework. In the next exercise, we are going to continue in Unit 4. And at that point, I will also, I'm not sure if I'm going to give you homework then, but we will continue in Unit 4 now that we're finished with our homework. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Okay, bye-bye.